Hello children, how are you? So now mathematics, 4th class mathematics 12th chapter, dividing into equal part. Dividing into equal parts. See in this chapter to page number 115. So do these problems having the children. So we already some problems we did now in previous classes. Page number 115. Page number 115. See here. Color 1/4 of the group of figures given below. They are given now. So 1/4 part. See here all of you. See this picture children. So they are having 4 figures now. See here. They are having 4 figures. In these 4 figures too 1/4 part. So total parts 4. So in that 4 to 1 part will shade it. So this part will shade it. Any part 2. Okay. Here also. Some circles given now. See here I will explain that. Color 1/4. Color 1/4 of the group of figures given below. Of figures of the group of figures given below. See here B1. How many circles are there here? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will tell one example only. So remaining parts you will do now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 only. See. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 circles having. In that 16 to 1/4 part. So total 16 parts having now. Yes, 16 circles having. So in that 4 parts to divide it first. See, 4 only now. See, 4 only we are dividing now. 4 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. So in that 4 part to 1 part only will shade. Understand? So here which fraction given? 1/4. Numerator is 1, denominator is 4. So 1/4 part. So I will shade this part. So any part you will take and shade it. 1 part only. Understand now? See next to C1 also similar. So how many figures having here? 8. Figures only having no like this. 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 8 figures. 8 no? Okay. So in these two, 1 by 4th part also. Here also 1 by 4th part. So we'll divide into 4 equal parts. This one 4 equal parts. So 8 only having now 4 equal parts means how many will come in each part? 2, 2. So 2 only come. So any 2 figures you will shade. Any 2 figures you will take. So take this one. So this is the 1 by 4th part. Understand now? So drawing your textbook and notebook, children. Okay, children. Now D1, see all of you. They are having a pencil. See. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pencils. 1, 2. You will draw in your notebook, children, and then you will color it. 1 by 4th part. 1 by 4th part only will be colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. In the 12 part. So 1 by 4 part. See here 12 parts to 1 by 4 part will 12 into 1 by 4 will do no? 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So 3 1 is 3. So any 3 pencils will do means 1 by 4 part will become 2, 3. So we will do it like that. Okay. Next page, page number 116. See here. Try this. Think of more ways in which a rectangle can be divided into 2 equal parts and do them. So here rectangle shape having now. So 2 equal parts you will divide it. You will try that. Okay. Next to Rani's birthday. Rani's birthday having no here. See here. Rani bought 40 chocolates on her birthday. So Rani has Rani's birthday only that day. So Rani bought 40 chocolates on her birthday. So A1 question see here, children. She distributed 1 by 2 of the chocolates in her class. So how many chocolates did Rani distribute in class? So all of you take out your notebook now. So Rani's birthday you will be right, and this question also will be right, children. I will explaining the problem. Okay. Let us write now. Write first. Okay, next one. Rani's birthday. Page number 116. Rani's birthday. See here, Rani bought 40 chocolates on her birthday. Rani bought how many chocolates? Bought she 40 chocolates. 40 chocolates. 40 chocolates. Rani got 40 chocolates. So how many chocolates did Rani distributed in class? She distributed 1/2 of the chocolates in her class. Number of what? A1 answer. Number of what? Chocolates. Rani distributed. So how many chocolates she distributed? See here, 40 chocolates only now. So in that 40 chocolates to 1/2 part she will distribute it. So how many chocolates we will find out now, okay? Number of chocolates she distributed. In her class. Distributed in her class. So how many chocolates she will distribute? 40. Total 40 no? 1/2 part. So 40 into 1/2 is equals to, see here, how much will become? So you know children, cutting. So 2 and 2, 2 to the 4, 0, 0. 20 into 1, 20. So therefore 20 chocolates she distributed class. Distribute in class. So she will distribute 20 chocolates in class. So next she distributed 1/4 part of the chocolates to her teacher. How many chocolates did Rani distribute among her teachers? So you will be write first this A question right after. Okay children. So see here. So she distributed 1/4 part of the chocolates to her teachers. 1/4 part of the chocolates. Sorry for the children. Number of part she distributed chocolates to her teachers. So teachers to how many chocolates she will distribute? Teachers to, so 1/4 part. 1/4 part. So 1/4 part. See here. How many chocolates did Rani distribute among her teachers? So how many chocolates she distributed for teacher? See here, number of chocolates She distribute to her teachers. So 1/40, 1/4 into 40 now. So 40 into 1/4. See here we do 40 into 1/4. So 4 1 the 4, 14 the 40. So how many chocolates she will distribute for teachers? 10 chocolates. She will distribute 10 chocolates for teachers. Therefore, 10 chocolates. Chocolates. She distributed to her teachers. Note down this. So write all of you. So next one in that page only. What part of the cupboard is filled with books? So they are having a cupboard. See. So which part of the cupboard having books? So write that question, first question. Heading also you will keep children. A question also you write. So completed. Okay. What part of the cupboard is filled with books? Is filled with books. So here A question is children. What part of the shelves is full of the books? So which part of the shelves full of the books? See, you are observing now. So I am writing the question and will explain now. What part of the shelves is full of books? Full of books. So you write the fraction. So which line writing fraction? So total how many shelves are there here in that cupboard? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 no? 5 shelves are no? Yes. So in that number you will be writing the denominator place. So when total how many shelves are there, that number only you will be writing the denominator place. So which part shelves is full of books? So how many shelves having full of books? So 2 shelves only now. In that 2 number you will be writing numerator place. Understand now? 2/5. So what part of the shelves is full of books? 2/5 part. 2/5. 2/5 also. Same like that. So second one, B1. What part of the shelves is empty. So empty cells, how many having here? So total 5 cells only. In that 5 cells to 2 cells to books, full of books only having. So remaining cells only empty cells now. Anything having in that cells to empty only now. So how many parts are empty? 3. 3 shells are empty. So 3 will write in the numerator place, 5 in the denominator place. So total how many parts to be dividing, that number only will be write the denominator place. Don't forget children, remember it. So next, which part will taking? So here only full of books only taking. Here empty books, empty cells only. Yes or no? Here full cells. Here empty cells. So which part we are taking, that one only will be write the numerator place. So how many parts to dividing our? That one only write the denominator place. You will remember children. Up one only numerator, down one only denominator. Okay, next one. What part of the biscuit packet has been eaten? So what part of the biscuit packet have been eaten? If Saraswati and Komal have eaten 8 of the biscuits. So she has, so 2 members having 8 of the biscuits. So what part of the biscuit packet have they eaten? So total how many biscuits are there here? Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 biscuits now. So total how many biscuits are there? 12 biscuits. So completed? Listen carefully that problem. What part of the biscuit packet has been eaten? Packet has been eaten. So total biscuits children, observe here. I am not writing the question. So total how many biscuits are there? Number of biscuits. Number of biscuits. 12 biscuits no. So in the packet to having no. How many biscuits are there? 12 biscuits. In that 12 biscuits too, Saraswati and Komal have eaten 8 of the biscuits. So if they eaten 8 of the biscuits. 8 of the biscuits. So they are given number only. So in previous problem too, we are finding the number. So which part? They are only given. So but here, how much part we will take it? That part only not given. We are finding it now. Okay. So 12. So in that 12 to see here. So how many parts to? So 12 to 8 means, see here, suppose I am drawing here like this. Some boxes I will draw, I am not drawing biscuits. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. You think biscuits like that? 12 biscuits. So 8 biscuits only they eaten. They eaten 8 biscuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They eaten 8 biscuits. So they eaten 8. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only. So that means, so in each okay, sorry for the disturbance, children. See here, 8 biscuits only they eat. So remaining 4 only remain. So in each part too, how many biscuits came? 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 biscuits only came in each part. So how many parts to divide him into 12? So 1 part and see 1, 2, 3 parts. Yes, 3 parts to be divided. See here. So total 3 parts. Okay. So total 3 parts no? So in these 3 parts too, 8 only they are eaten. So how many parts will eating? 2 by 3 part. Therefore 2 by 3 part they eaten. So next one given. What part of the biscuit packet is remaining? So what part is remaining? See here. So 2 parts only they are eating. So remaining 1 part? Remaining no? Yes. So total 3 parts. So 1 part only remaining. 1 by 3 part is 1 by 3 part is remaining. One by 3 part is remaining. Write that questions and write this answer, children. Okay, understand all of you? Okay. So next class now we are discuss the exercise problems. Okay. So you will learn this. Okay. Write all of you. Question right after this one, right? Okay, children.